In June 2012, the region of Valencia on the Spanish Mediterranean coast suffered one of the most devastating forest fires in its history. With 45,000 hectares of forest and scrubland burned. Economic losses were estimated at 114 million euros. The ecological disaster has changed the face of the region forever. Where before there were pine forests and crops, now there's only desolation, endangering the economic stability of the region and the social and ecological balance. If biomass management work had been carried out on those 45,000 hectares, it would have produced energetically usable biomass capable of supplying enough power to heat 500,000 homes for a whole year. Although the costs of obtaining this sustainable fuel amount to 36 million euros, those costs are clearly lower than the generation of that same energy with traditional sources. At first view, it seems obvious that the energetic use of biomass from sustainable forestry work encourages the survival of forests, reduces the effects of climate change, prevents forest fires, reduces traditional energy consumption, and helps socio-economic development in agroforestry regions. The municipality of Serra is a small mountain town in the province of Valencia, on the Spanish Mediterranean coast. The town covers an area of 5,730 hectares, with 95% of this territory lying within the Sierra Calderona Natural Park and 85% being forest.
El municipio de Serra es un aula de formación, pero en abierto, al aire libre, en donde en todo el año, sea la época que sea, se generan muchas actividades de montaña, de medio ambiente y, cómo no, de visitas guiadas, de esparcimiento a nivel también de turismo familiar.
In the midst of a huge economic crisis as Spain was living in year 2011, the cost assumed by the population of Serra for managing green waste amount up to 90,000 euros per year. So the basic idea was to reduce this spend through converting waste coming from gardening, agriculture and forestry works on a fuel suitable to be used by local administration. This will reduce the cost of managing green waste and energy bills, and also will have positive collateral effects in terms of protecting natural environment, reducing pollution and employee creation.
The first step was to turn the local administration into a biomass fuel consumer. To this end, 2 stages of replacement were planned in the municipal nursery and the town hall buildings. Replacing the traditional heat sources using electrically powered heating systems with biomass boilers and a hot water circuit with radiators. At the same time, the town had to convert the green waste into an energetically usable fuel at the lowest possible cost. Project management decided to use a grant from the provincial administration, traditionally aimed at public works, for the acquisition of a forestry wood chipper, equipped with a 60 horsepower diesel engine, capable of grinding trees with a diameter of up to 25 centimeters, and for the installation of a hot water and radiator heating system fed by a 35 kilowatt multi-fuel biomass boiler. At the end of the first winter of operation of Phase 1, the Town Council attained savings of more than €19,000 in waste management and electricity bills. With the success obtained in Phase 1, and considering that the wood chip production left out a part of the green waste, the project management proposed taking full advantage of this green waste by improving the fuel production process through the acquisition of a fine wood grinder and a wood pelletizer, with a production capacity of 100 kilograms of wood pellets per hour. For this purpose, the town hall offices were equipped with a heating system using radiators powered by a hot water circuit and a 65 kilowatt biomass multi-fuel boiler.
Considering both phases and pellet production process after 3 years of full operations, the global balance sheet shows savings in waste management and energy bills of more than €37,000 per year. Also, CO2 reduction emissions of more than 215 tons per year and employee creation about 15 employments.
The biomass management project continues to evolve through the incorporation of forest and agricultural waste, which gives the biomass an energetic value and makes the cleaning and regeneration of Serra's natural heritage profitable. It also contributes to the reduction of forest fire risk and stimulates the generation of indirect employment associated to the project.
Nuestro ayuntamiento, nuestro municipio, nuestros vecinos, Serra en su conjunto, estamos totalmente concienciados con nuestro entorno, con nuestros montes, evidentemente con el medio ambiente.
El proyecto piloto que se está realizando en Serra es extrapolable a otros municipios de diversa índole y con diversas peculiaridades, pero con aspectos comunes, como es la generación y necesidad de tratamiento de los residuos verdes generados en la jardinería. Tenemos una interfaz urbano-forestal de difícil gestión. Los residuos verdes generados por la agricultura, que muchas veces son generadores de incendios forestales, y la correcta gestión de los montes, y este equilibrio hace que esos montes sean resistentes o sean más resistentes al fenómeno de los incendios forestales, que desgraciadamente es la primera causa de destrucción de bosque que aparece en muchísimas áreas del mundo, con lo que lleva asociado de problemas de erosión de suelo, de ciclo hidrológico, de paisajes, de cambio climático, etc.
Nuestra obligación, por encima de todos, es preservarlo, es cuidarlo, para nosotros y para nuestras generaciones futuras. Nosotros apostamos por este proyecto porque tengo la seguridad de que va a salir todo perfecto.